Hi, we're Big Y's registered dietitians. I'm Carrie.
And I'm Andrea. Did you know April is National Grilled Cheese Month?
Here are some of our favorite variations of this comforting classic.
Grilled cheese with apple and honey mustard. Lightly apply buttery spread on one side of bread slices. Top one slice of bread with honey mustard, cheddar, apples, and second bread slice. Place sandwich on preheated pan. Cover and cook until bread begins to brown. Flip, cover, and cook until cheese is melty and bottom is golden. Slice in half and enjoy.
Pesto arugula grilled cheese. Lightly apply buttery spread on one side of bread slices. Top bread slice with pesto, mozzarella, arugula, tomato, and second slice of bread. Transfer sandwich to a preheated pan. Cover and cook until bread begins to brown. Flip, cover, and cook until cheese is melty. Cut into halves and dig in.
For these recipes and more,
visit BigY.com.